जेसेबांखिनि कन्टेस्टेन्ट्स दं गासिबो बिबार ब्रेन्डनिफ्राय दख'नाखौ गानजोबदों दिनै जों सोंनानै लानि बिबार दख'नाखौ गाननानै माबायदि मोनदों खुलुमबाय
Please.
Khulumbai, so right now I'm wearing BIBAR and it is by Fuzi ma'am and oh my god look at me, I'm so pretty and this is so beautiful. Thank you so much. I love the brand and I would suggest everyone to go with this outfit.
Okay.
Khulumbai, this is very gorgeous and elegant. So it's look very good on me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Angshula Mira. I'm wearing BIBAR brand right now. I'm wearing dkhon for the first time and I didn't know I was so pretty in this. It's only because of BIBAR. Thank you so much.
Hello, Khulumbai. I'm wearing BIBAR right now. I'm looking so pretty. I never looked this pretty. Thank you.
I feel like a princess.
Wow.
Hi guys, Khulumbai. जों दिनै आब' खुसिनि दख'ना गानदों बिबारनिफ्राय आं मालाबाबो सानाखैमोन जे दख'नायाव जों एफा सेक्सिबो जानो हागौ so thank you आब' खुसि
Khulumbai. So today I'm wearing BIBAR and it's very beautiful. I'm loving my outfit and I'm loving my look. Love you, Fuziba.
Hello guys, Khulumbai. Diनै जोङो बिबार ब्रेन्डनि दख'ना गानदों आब' खुसिनिफ्राय जोबोद समायना and आङो ब्लेक कालारखौ गानदों my favorite color so beautiful.
Khulumbai, I am wearing दख'ना by BIBAR made by Fuji ma'am. Every tassel is made of love. Look how pretty I am looking.
Khulumbai गासैनिबो दिनैया आब' खुसिनिफ्राय बिबारनि दख'ना गाननाय जोंनि फाइनेल डे आसा खालामो जों गासैखौबो सापर्ट मोनगोन होननानै आरो गासैबो सिख्लाफोरखौ बिराद समायना नुदों आब'नि दख'ना गाननानै.
Next.
Khulumbai, I am Miss Universe Assam finalist. I am wearing BIBAR fashion and I love the elegance. Thank you, Fujiba. Khulumbai, I am wearing BIBAR and it's so beautiful and wonderful. I'm loving it.
Thank you.